Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix buffering issues on Netflix so you can stream smoothly without interruptions. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi is the most common cause of buffering, so try restarting your router or switching to a stronger network. Next, reduce video quality in Netflix settings. Lowering the resolution can help if your internet speed is limited. You can also restart your device, whether it's a phone, smart TV, or computer, to clear temporary glitches. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or use a wired connection for better stability. Additionally, close other apps or devices using the internet, as they can slow down your connection. Finally, make sure the Netflix app is updated to the latest version for the best performance. Subscribe the channel for more videos.